Hi, my name is Heather, and I am first mate and chef on sailing vessel Rumba. Rumba is one of the best boats, I think, here to charter on because we have the unique capability of hosting 10 guests. And with 4 different seating arrangements, we have plenty of room for all 10 guests to spread out and sort of carve out their own space. We have forward seating areas, aft seating areas with tables, and we even have a special, really nice couch area up on top of our nav station, which is terrific for stargazing. My favorite charter memory so far from this season has probably been this. We had 3 couples from Nebraska who came out on our boat. Several of them had never been to the ocean before, and they sat in our seats on the forward part of our boat. And every time the boat would hit a wave, they would get splashed and they would just giggle. And they're in their 50s, and they were just having the best time of their lives, which is really, I think, what we hope all of our guests have and what we work really hard to ensure happens when you're chartering on Rumba. When we're not on charter, Captain John and I do a lot of things together. We enjoy spending time together, and so we do a lot of snorkeling. We do a lot of research, checking out different islands that maybe we haven't been to on a charter before to see how's the snorkeling there. We do some diving. John is a rescue diver, and I have my open water certification. So we've been fortunate enough to do some great dives, both here in St. Thomas and St. John, and also in St. Croix. It's so much fun to be in the water here, whether we're working or not, that it's difficult to get out, even when you're not working. I think probably my favorite ocean creature has got to be the reef squid. They are these super inquisitive, adorable little creatures that stay about mid-level in the water. And so they're not right at the surface, they're not down too deep, and they will just come up to you and they will wave their tentacles at you and change colors and just sort of float along with you. And in Coral Bay one day, I think there was a pair, and they hung out with us for 15 minutes, just swimming along with us. And it was just the most surreal, awesome experience. My most recent snorkel, we found 13 baby reef squid, like the size of a quarter, underneath our dinghy when we made it back to the boat. And I was squealing into my snorkel because I was so excited to see them. It's a good sign of a healthy reef, and we just love to see all that wildlife. When not chartering, when not down here, vacationing, I have to say that probably my most favorite vacation memory is still sailing related. I discovered sailing in 2015 up in Maine in the wooden schooner fleet. And my first sailing experience was on a historical vessel called the J.N.E. Riggin. It's a 100-foot wooden boat with traditional sails and rigging, and a galley with a woodstove. And it was a week of sailing where the wind and the tides took us. And it was absolutely a profoundly life-changing moment for me. And I've never looked back. It's been all sailing all the time since then. And it continues to be one of my favorite memories. I really enjoy with Rumba hosting a variety of guests. We enjoy families, we enjoy multiple couples. We'll take anybody because it enables us to have a different experience every time we're out on the water. And we go to different places. If you guys want to go to beach bars, we were able to see some pretty fantastic limbo contests over at Foxy's. But we also have seen bays where there doesn't appear that there's ever been any infrastructure built. It's all natural. The parks are pristine here, and it looks like you're in Jurassic Park because it's unchanged over time. And we really love those spots too. So having a variety of guests enables us to have the best experiences. So we love that. We don't have a particular group that we prefer over another. I got into sailing and chartering via an office route with a cubicle. I had discovered sailing but didn't have a way to make it my life. And then Captain John one day, I was talking to him on the phone, and he said, why don't we do deliveries? Why don't we just leave land and go deliver boats? And I was like, oh, okay. So we did, and it was amazing. But delivering boats, you only get to stay in an area for a couple of days maximum before you're on to the next. And I love chartering because when we got this job, it really helped us get a lot more in-depth knowledge and familiarity with an area. And this is home now. I'm amazed at how much it feels like home and how quickly it has become our home, but we love sharing our home with our guests. My favorite spot in all of the VIs is probably St. Croix. It's not a common destination for chartering, but in St. Croix, you have the best of all things. There's world-class snorkeling in Frederiksted. It's a very easy snorkel. There's also world-renowned diving on the wall there, as well as stuff on land. They've got rainforests and plains and mountains, and they have everything that you could possibly want to do on a charter in one spot. The last time we went to St. Croix, we actually had a pod of 15 dolphins that swam with us and played in our wake for 15 or 20 minutes. It was absolutely incredible. And I always am excited when we get a chance to take guests to St. Croix and share our love of that island with guests. My cooking style is a bit eclectic. It evolved a lot when I started sailing on the schooners in Maine, because in those boats, there's no power. Everything is cooked on a wood stove below decks in a galley that is unchanged in the last 100 years, and everything is made from scratch. So all the bread is baked fresh daily, all of the scones and everything is done on site that day. And that's really how we cook on Rumba. Captain John and I both cook and both share meal responsibilities, but everything is done from scratch. I'm a baker, and it's important to me that guests have wholesome meals with fresh ingredients and made, with love. And we cook a little bit of everything. We've got Mexican and Asian and all the things, but it's all done with an eye to creating wholesome meals that feed your mouth, your body, and your soul. So I think that's pretty much the best way to end it. So thank you guys for watching our video. We are really excited to take you out on Rumba and share our love of the islands and our boat with you.